We're out here at a friend's place, Cheryl and Mark's place, and they're constructing an organic vegetable garden, and they're doing it a little bit differently. They're creating a beautiful mandala here. You can see the pattern with the central area and the lemon tree, and I thought I'd take advantage of this situation and just go through some of the things that are poisonous and non-poisonous for birds. So tomato fruit are relished by birds. However, the leaves of tomatoes and the stems of tomato plants are usually poisonous to birds. Avocado, an avocado seedling growing here. Avocado, any part of the avocado is poisonous. Potato, cooked potato and peeled potato is fine for many birds. However, the green potato leaves and shoots are likely to be poisonous. Sweet, no, this is broad bean. Broad bean, as far as I know, should be good for them. I don't know if that's being poisonous. We've got broccoli, young broccoli growing here. Good tucker. Peas of the edible variety, good tucker, good food. We'll move on, we'll find a couple of treats. We've got mint, they can have mint, and the cockatoos absolutely love eating the seeds of citrus trees. So citrus tree, lemon and orange and mandarin, tamarind seeds are great tucker. The rest is usually wasted. English spinach is very good food for nearly all the finches and parrots and budgies and various other birdies. So, but the principle is a little of a lot. Silver beet. Silver beet is a favourite food, especially for budgies. However, the principle is a little of it often, rather than a lot of it. Carrot. We can feed carrot tops, and we can feed obviously grated carrot. What have we got here? We've got shallots, we call them, or spring onions. They're generally poisonous to birdies. We're not going to feed them to birds. And little green potatoes like these ones, we're not going to feed. Green potatoes would be poisonous to birds. Coming around, we've got blueberries that aren't producing yet. They're going to be good tucker. We've spoken about shallots. Now, various types of pepper. These are often surprisingly relished by birds. Canaries really love hot, spicy chili, and most other birds love the seeds of the chili and the green pepper and the red pepper. But there we are. And then we have, I think it's Thai basil. And that can be offered to our birds, a little of a lot. Obviously the bees love it. So that's good tucker, good food. Another one of the foods that we can have. Give the pumpkin leaves a miss. I wouldn't feed those, offer those. I certainly would offer both varieties of parsley that you see here. I wouldn't offer clumping shallots or chives. No chives, no onion family or garlic family as a general rule. And then, what have we got? Is this parsley? I'll taste it. Yeah, that's Italian parsley, I think. That's also good tucker. Good food for birds, and they can have the seed heads and whatever. And I think that's some ordinary basil, English basil. Anyway, that's okay too. Hope that helps you. This is Dr. Ross Perry tuning out. Until next time.